Hello, today I will talk about the most important works of Isaac Newton. Let's start. Arithmetica Universalis. What it is. This work by Newton, published in 1707, focuses on the field of mathematics and algebra. What it says. In Arithmetica Universalis, Newton developed methods and techniques for approaching mathematical problems and solve equations. He introduced He introduced the concept of the differential operator, which was a basis for the further development of calculus. This work was essential in the development of mathematics and prepared the ground for the development of differential and integral calculus. Introduced methods of mathematical analysis that were used by other mathematicians in later centuries. Optics. What it is. This work, published in 1704, focuses on the study of light and optics. What it says. In optics, Newton covered topics such as the behavior of light when passing through prisms and mirrors, as well as optical phenomena such as color dispersion and reflection. He introduced concepts such as refraction and analyzed the nature of light and color. This work was highly influential in the field of optics and helped further develop the theory of light and color. Newton's contributions to this field laid the foundation for later research in optics. These works, along with those previously mentioned, represent Isaac Newton's significant contributions to mathematics, physics, and optics. They fundamentally changed the way we understand the world and paved the way for the development of modern science and mathematics. Observations upon the prophecies of Daniel and the Apocalypse of St. John. What it is. This work is less known than Newton's Mathematics and Physics and was published in 1733. In this work, he addressed religious and prophetic topics. What he says. Newton used his scientific and analytical approach to interpret passages from the biblical books of Daniel and the Revelation of John. He proposed his own interpretations of these prophecies. Although this work did not have the same impact in the religious field as his contributions in mathematics and physics, it shows Newton's interest in theology and his religious beliefs. This lesser-known aspect of his life shows his diverse and complex side. Mundus Subterraneus. What it is. This work was published in 1685 and deals with the subject of geology and earth science. What it says. Newton investigated and proposed theories regarding the formation and structure of the Earth, including ideas about the origin of Mount Everest and other geological forms. He also explored topics such as volcanism and mineralogy. Although many of Newton's ideas about geology are not accepted today, this work contributed to the development of earth science and the development of geology as a scientific discipline. These two works, despite the fact that they are less known than those in the field of mathematics and physics, shows the diversity of interests and intellectual curiosity of Isaac Newton. He was a prolific thinker who made significant contributions to multiple areas of human knowledge. Chronology of ancient kingdoms amended. What it is. This work, published in 1728, is an exploration of ancient chronology and history. What it says. Newton attempted to correct and reconstruct the chronology of ancient kingdoms, including Egypt and Babylon, using historical and scriptural sources. He held unconventional views on history and made significant contributions to the field. This work was, generally neglected during Newton's lifetime, but showed his interest in history and the way he tried to approach complex questions of ancient chronology. Alchemy and occult studies. What it is. Although not publicly written works. This work. Alchemy and occult studies. What it is. Although not publicly written works, Newton's interests in alchemy, occult theology, and hermetic studies have been well documented. He spent much time studying occult practices and searching for secret meanings in religious and alchemical writings.